This is an example of a storyboard created in Microsoft Word. As you can see in this column is the script for the narration of the video. Beside it is a description or a visual representation of what the visuals will look like in the video. In this area, we've included links to some potential stock photos that will be used in the video. This is what Camtasia Studio looks like when working on a video. Down here you have Audio 1, which is your audio narration. Up here you have Video 1, and that is your video track that shows all the visuals in your video. In between you have the areas for your callouts, such as these yellow highlighter boxes or text boxes. Let's say that you wanted to change this photo after the video work has been done. This particular screen is part of a PowerPoint presentation. It's actually a PowerPoint slide. Changing that photo would require reproducing this video clip, which means researching to find another photo, going to this particular slide, changing the photo, exporting it, importing into Camtasia, and replacing this clip with the new one. Not too bad a process, because you're just replacing this length of clip with a new one. But it is a little more time consuming than just changing a photo on a storyboard. Now let's say the client wanted to change this narration clip and add 1 or 2 extra sentences to be a little more descriptive. That's a little tougher. The general rule with doing video narration is to try and do all the narration on the same day, because our voices sound differently from one day to the next. Might be coming down with a cold 2 days from now, might be feeling a little tired, and our voices sound different. The next problem we have is once we re-record this clip with the extra sentences, it will be longer. So if I'm to replace this clip, I remove it, and I need to move this over to make room for the longer one. The problem with that is, because I've moved just the audio, everything in the rest of the video will be out of sync. The narration will no longer match the visuals. The call-out text boxes will no longer match the narration. Therefore, a lot of work will be spent resyncing everything behind that point in the video. As you can see, making a change on the storyboard is a lot less time consuming than making it after all the video work has begun. And making a change at the storyboard level is much more cost effective for the client.